So let me read that question again. So the following table shows the result of the following three coins many times. Throwing three coins many times. Now here we have a number of heads here. So we'll have 1, 2, and 3, and the number of times since we have 40 and 170 and 140 and 50. So the first question is, how are we going to find out, getting out exactly two heads, getting at least one head, and not getting three heads then? Now, to add all of this here, let's go find out the total throws then. So first we have total throws. Oh yeah, throws. That is that is equals to 40 plus 170 plus 140 and plus 50. Now, using our calculators, we can add that one, and that would be exactly going to be about 400. Now, since we have now the total throws, let's go and find out what is being asked. So let's go start with the letter A then. Now, letter A states that getting exactly two heads. So looking out here, we have for probability of getting exactly two heads here that shown in the table, it's 140. So we're going to write as probability of exactly two heads. Okay, so that would be is equals to 140 over 400. Now let's go try to reduce this one. Now there, so for the reducing fraction for that one here, so let's write here for the reducing, seeing the fraction, oh, fraction, we have as p, which is exactly two heads. So that would be is equals to 14 over 40. Now, and also we can still lower that one. That's going to be about 7 over 20. Now, the answer for the A is about 7. Okay, answer for the A is 7 out of 20, or using our calculator, that would be 0.35 then. Now, the second question, let's see out for the second question. What did it say? So let's copy that one. Looking out for the second question, we have now here is B getting at least one head. Now looking out here, at least one head. So let's try to use out that here. So favorably, we can write it out the favorable outcomes. Okay, favorable outcomes comes is we're going to add here. So since it's a at least, so that means we're going to start out from 1 to 3. So that is 170. That is plus, oh yeah, 170. 170 plus 140 plus 50. That's going to give us about 360. Now, since we have now a favorable outcome, let's go try to find it out here. So it says that probability of at least one head. Okay, so at least one head it says. So that is 360 over 400, in which we can lower that one into, that would be, if reduce out here for the fraction, that is going to be about 36 over 40, in which we can also simplify that one to the other one. That is going to be about 9 over 10. Okay, so that is 9 over 10, or the answer would be, for the B is 9 over 10, or in a fraction for that one is 0.9. Okay, so we're done with B. Now let's move on to the C then. So we're done with let's copy that one here. And moving on for next then. Okay, so the C's question is getting 3 heads. So I'm not getting 3 heads, rather. So to find it out here, not getting 3 heads, let's go add out the favorable outcome. So first, let's write favorable outcome. Okay, so the favorable outcomes that we have here is about 40 plus 170 plus 140. Okay, and giving out all the addition using our calculators down, then that's going to be 350. So now using out the complements down here, we just simply minus that, or the other one, this one different, or odd, or we just minus 400 minus 50 is equals to 300. Okay, 350. Still the same. So that's method 2 and method 1. Okay, now moving on for the next one here, we have all those answers. So we have that 350. Now let's go find out the probability of not getting 3 heads then. So let's write here, not 3 heads. Okay, so we have that one is equals to 350 over 400. Now we can reduce that one, the fraction, that's going to be about goes to 35 over 40, or we can lower that one into, yeah, that is 7 over 8 10. Okay, just to use that by 5 10. Okay, now the answer would be here is about 7 over 8, or to be exact in the decimal then, that is 0.875.